Hey Stagecraft team, here we are in the theater and we are about 4:30 p.m. on March 7th. We just finished the set install. Thank you to all those who came out today to be a part of that. And you're looking at the stage left KDKA radio station. Isn't that cool? You see the world cutout there, the 2D cutout, the painted antennas, the KDKA sign with the flag there, the piano shell holding a real keyboard. It's pretty nifty. There's the garden scene panning over here to center stage, along with the staircases and the balcony. That brickwork looks really good, and just love that mansard roof up there. Looks really, really cool. And finally ending out with the Crazy Cat nightclub, and that Art Deco pattern on the walls just looks really sweet. So we have a few more touch-ups to do, but overall the set is complete, and we'll focus on the punch list items next Monday and Thursday. It doesn't look like there's much to do, but I wanted to give you a little view of what it looks like now, and then we're moving on to the Heroes project starting next week.